and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be doing some slime pet peeves. So let's get straight into that video. So the first pet peeve I found really annoying is when there's stuff around your slime filming area. There's stuff all around the slime. You can't even see the slime when you're trying to hold it up and show it. So another one that I find really annoying is background noise. Can you guys hear that background noise? And that's not going to stop, so sorry for that pet peeve. But the next one is when people poke the slime instead of squishing it after they pop a bubble. After they make a bubble. So another thing that's really annoying. Oh my god, why is this back? Hang on. Mom, stop vacuuming, I'm filming! I said stop vacuuming, I'm filming here! Stop it! I'm filming. Wow. This is gonna take an hour. Background noise. So another one is when people aggressively play with it. And then, I hate, you already know what this is. This is everyone's biggest pet peeve, okay? Everyone's. Are you ready for this? You know what this is. You guys know what it is? It's the one finger poke. The one finger poke. My cat's cleaning herself right now. Do you? What's that? Oh, is this just a shadow? That's the most annoying thing anyone can ever do. Also, another pet peeve. Hang on. Sticky slime. Now, this slime isn't sticky, I just had to wet it between my fingers to make it look sticky, but it's actually not sticky. Nothing on that sleeve. This is just like marker. This is marker. So, that's that. And those were my slime pet peeves. Peace out.